Today topic of lecture identification of opportunities. What is opportunity? Opportunity, business opportunity means a good or favorable chance available to run a specific businesses in a given environment at a given point of time. It is called a opportunity. Opportunity means a good or favorable chance available to run a specific businesses in a given environment at a given point of time. It is called a opportunity. Opportunity means good chance or positive chance or favorable chance to start or running specific businesses or in environment at given a point of time, particular period, particular time, particular situation, good or positive or favor chances starting the businesses. It is called a opportunity. Next one is identification of opportunities. First one is customer segmentation. Next one, industry and market information. Next one, competitive company and product information. Analyze of complementary product and services. Next one, foreign market analysis. Next one, environment analysis. Next one, government sources. Next one, search engine. Next one, trade associations. Next one, trade publication. These all are identification of opportunities. Customer segmentation, industry and market information, competitive company and product information, analysis of complementary product and service, foreign market analysis, environment analysis, government sources, research engine, trade association. Last one is trade publication. These all are identification of opportunities. One by one, I explain now. First one is customer segmentation. Who is customers? Customers is the users or consumers or purchase persons. First divide the all customers, different segments, different category और segmentation में division or divide your users or consumers or buyers based the age, based the technology, based the passion, preferences, etc. That all are segments divided the different categories. First, gents. Gents also different age peoples, children's, teenage persons, middle age persons, old age persons. You divided. Same ladies also. Children's, teenage ladies, middle age ladies, or old age ladies. You identify the customer segmentation. Every segment you identify how much number, that category, in the area, in the location, that what needs, what requirement you want, their persons, their category, you identify. That based the you starting the business. Some type of persons also more number or children. That type of businesses you starting the that area. That children's needs or requirements or wants, you establish that type of business. Every segments you evaluate, calculate that area, how many numbers, that type of category, that type of wants, needs, requirement, you identify. That based you starting the business that area. It is one of the identification of opportunity. more number of available certain segment category persons, that more demand the type of products, that sufficiency not supply, not satisfy present situation. That place you starting the business, you more sales. That is one of the chance, one of the opportunity. You starting the new business. It is one of the identification of opportunity. Next one, industry and market information. What is industry? Industry means group of firms, group of companies, same type of businesses, same type of manufacturing companies. That all are number. That is a industry. For the example, textile industry, different companies. Total all companies also textile industry. Steel industry, iron, different companies of the iron companies. That all are our country, our state. The total companies, it is called a iron or steel industry. That industry present market information. Market means outside, buying and selling, supply and demand. That industry, availability of the supply, present demand in the market. All are you calculated. You collect the information. That based the you identify the opportunity. Our demand, our company products also, our industry product also, more demand, not sufficiency supply, available the market present situation. That is type of businesses also you starting, you success, you get the more profits. This is one of the opportunity identification. You evaluate, collect the total information, particular industry, supply and demand. More demand, low supply. That is the positive accept or good chance. That time you starting the business, you get the more profit. Next one is competitive company and product information. This is one of the idea, opportunities of identification. Competitive company and production information. What is competitive? Same type of businesses, same type of product, manufacturing. That all are competitive companies. That companies present production, that companies present demand, all are you collect the information. That based the you start the your businesses. That is one of the opportunity. For the example, low competition, more demand. That is the type of business you starting the good chance, favorable chance, positive chance. That time you start the businesses. More competition, that is more risk, not get the more profits. The type of businesses you not positive, not good chance, not favorable. So competitive companies and product information is the one of the identification of opportunities. Analyze of complementary product and services. What is complementary product? Some products or sales depend on other products performance, other companies performance. That all are types also complementary products. That you analysis or complementary product depend the other companies, other products performance is the well. That complementary product also you starting the better opportunity, get the more profits. Other companies, depend companies, not well performance. That field you starting the business, complementary product business, not get the profits. This is not the good opportunity. So first you estimate the our product depend companies performance. For the example, automobiles industry, present that performance is very well, get the more profits. That depend the different product also complements. Automobiles compulsory need diesel, petrol, and mechanic schedule, and spare parts of automobiles. That all are businesses also more demand, get the more profits. Why automobile industry is performance is the well, good, more growth. That depend the other complementary businesses also well, also good. So that is one of the opportunity. Next example, construction field, present also not well, main cause corona effect. That industry also so many losses. That field persons, that depend the other complementary businesses, cement, steel, bricks, carpentry, wood, sand, paintings, etc. All are depend on that main construction business, construction field. That is this situation that business is starting, you get the losses. Why? That field is not performance, not well, present situation. So this is one of the identification opportunity. You analyze of complementary product and services. Next one is foreign market analysis. What is foreign market? Foreign market means market is outside the country, not our country, not inside the country. You business buying and selling out of the countries, import and export business. It is called a foreign market. This is your analysis, your foreign business present particular product. Our country also low demand, availability of the more product. That use of the export to other countries. Some countries also more need our products, our food items. Export the some other countries or Saudi countries. That also not available full food items. That available the oils, petrol. That state, that countries also more demand agriculture food items. Our country also not demand, more available, low cost. You analyze the foreign market situation. That is one of the identification of opportunities. That countries, the type of business you starting get the more profit. You success the your business. Some product also other countries very low cost. Same product or countries also high cost. What is the type of product you identify? That business you starting the, you get good opportunity, get the more profits. For the example, China, that country electrical goods very cheap. That all goods our country also more costly. You, that is one of the opportunity. That country you buy the type of electrical goods, again resell our country. That business is the good opportunity. So foreign market analysis is one of the identifying of opportunity. Next one is environment analysis. This is important. Any business, any activity is starting before analyze environment. Environment means our surrounding areas. You see, you saw, or develop or non-develop, not developed. Or technically, or scientifically, financially, all factors you considered. You development the our area, our place, our country, our state, our district, our location. A well-developed area, that is more income, the students, that persons or peoples, you more purchase the purchasing power, that peoples. So that you establish the any business that people's needs, wants, requirement, businesses, you start that place, you success. That is one of the identification of opportunity. Environmental situation, you analysis, that is one of the identification of opportunity. Government sources, this is one of the identify opportunity source. Government every year or release the some annual reports, statistical reports. Central government and state government and local bodies, all are you release the every year annual reports, that all are information in this our area. That is of the entrepreneurs, users, you get the starting the businesses, that based the what is area developed, what is area not developed, what is place industrial development, what is place agriculture development, what is place educational development, etc. All information in these reports, that based the you identify your opportunity, that places you starting the business, you get the success, your business get the more profits. Next one is research engine. This is one of the computer software. Research, any information, search engine, you search the computer or in laptop, in your cell phone, Google search, any information, any company, any business, any industry, any one, you search in the Google, total information available the in this search engine. That use of the you taking the decisions, what place more demand, what place more development, what place low supply, all are you studied in the search engine. That base, that is one of the idea opportunity. Next one is trade associations. What is association? Association means group of peoples. You establish the societies, unions for our problem solving purpose. That is a association. Trade association also, traders or business peoples or companies Entrepreneurs, some number of persons, one group. You establish the unions, society. It is called a trade association. That association also the type of business, all information available. Any that association, that business, total information avail. You contact, you meet, provide that association members. It is one of the idea opportunity that see the information that business growth, development or demand, supply, all are etc. available that trade associations. Next, last one is trade publications. Publications mean printing, journals, articles, books, trading articles, trading journals, trading publications, different type of books, business related, industry related, technology related. So many books published in the country or worldwide. All information available in these publications. That books, that journals, that articles, you see, you read. Available the business information. What type of business? Present, more demand. What type of businesses also present losses? All are development in this books or journals or articles. So that use of the you establish new persons, new businesses. This is one of the idea opportunity. These all are opportunities of ideas. First one is customer segmentation. Next one, industry and market information. Next one, competitive company and product information. Next one, analyze of complementary product and service. Next one, foreign market analysis. Next one, environment analysis. Next one, government sources. Next one, search engine. Next one, trade association. Last one, trade publication. This topic is over. Thank you.